Welcome to my Udemy course Python Coding Guidelines, Tooling, Testing and Packaging. My name is Jan and I am your instructor in this course. I have a Master of Science in Applied Computer Science with the topic Machine Learning. I am working as an algorithm engineer for autonomous driving at ZF, which is one of the biggest German car suppliers out there. And also I'm an instructor here on Udemy since December 2017. And in this course, I want to show you how you can get one step ahead of all the other Python developers out there, because there are many Python tutorials out there that just cover the basics of Python programming itself. But these guides do not cover how to write good structured Python code, how to use these tooling tools like linters and formatters, how you can test your code, and how a modern Python project is really structured. So I want to tackle all of these points. So what you will learn in this course is the coding guidelines and good practice programming with the PEP 8 guideline. Also, I will show you the tooling about Python. So what is Pylint, Flake 8, AutoPEP 8, Black, etc. I will show you what type annotations are and how you can use them in addition to MyPy to find potential bugs in your code. I will show you the use of debugging, profiling, timing, and unit testing of your code base. And we will create an own Python package, which is structured like modern Python projects. And also I will show you, for example, the usage of continuous integration tools and the creation of a modern looking HTML documentation based on your Python project. This course is structured into 5 chapters. Chapter 1 is the introduction and the software installation. Chapter 2, 3, and 4 are the coding chapters. And in chapter 5, I will conclude our course. You might ask yourself now, should I be a very good Python programmer to start this course, or what are the requirements for this course? You should be able to work with your operating system and the terminal, so you should be able to call Python from the terminal. You can, for example, use pip to install packages, and you should know about the Python basics, so variables, functions, classes, etc. So you just need to know about the Python basics, and that should be enough. And I hope you find these topics that I want to show you in this course interesting, and then we will see us in the next video. Bye bye.